So let us take our next question. We are given a hypothetical reaction 5A. Write down the question. आप क्वेश्चन लिख पहले. For a hypothetical reaction 5A plus 6B plus C give 3L plus 3M. Reaction given is hypothetical, so don't worry कि 5 और 6 हो गया. Don't worry. Write the reaction first and then write the data. Data is given as experiment number 1, 2, 3, 4. We are given 4 datas in 4 experiments. Initial concentration of A, B, C and initial rate are given in moles per liter per second. In first experiment, concentration of A given 0.02, B given 0.02, C given 0.02 and the rate of reaction given 2 into 10 to power minus 3. In second experiment, A is 0.02, B, C 0.0202 each. Rate of reaction is 1 into 10 to power minus 3. लिख लिया? In third experiment, concentration of A given 0.02, concentration of B given 0.04 and C given 0.02 and rate of reaction is 4 into 10 to power minus 3. In fourth experiment, concentration of A given 0.02, B 0.02 and C 0.04. Rate given 8 into 10 to power minus 3. That is table. First complete the table, then write the next part. What is next bit? They are asking to calculate. First find the order of reaction. Again you can try similarly, and the rate law equation. Find the order of reaction and rate law equation. Then second part, the rate constant of the reaction. Second part क्या है? Rate constant of the reaction. Third bit, find the rate of reaction if concentration of all the reactants is 0.01 moles per liter. Find the rate of reaction if concentration of all the reactants is 0.01 molar and also initial rate of change of concentration of A and L and also initial rate of change of concentration of A and L. That is your question. Try this question yourself. हो गया? So let's come on solution part. To solve this question, we will go by a shortcut method, not by lengthy method. You can apply lengthy method yourself, but space कम है, time का भी होता है हमको problem. तो आपको आंसर निकालना होता है ऐसे क्वेश्चन में. You can write this also. Okay, let's by observation. First we take from first and second experiment observation. What you can see? Concentration of A half, B and C are same. Concentration of A is reduced to half, while B and C remain same. Rate become half. On making concentration of A half, rate is half. That means rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of A. Meaning order of reaction is 1 with respect to A. A को half किया, आपका rate half हो गया. इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? Order of reaction is 1 with respect to A. Now, if it is from first and third experiment, first third को लिया because यहाँ पे दो constant है, only one change कर रहा है. तो A same, C same, B doubles. On doubling B, rate become how much? Double. That means rate of reaction is also directly proportional to concentration of B power 1, meaning order of reaction is taken 1 with respect to B. अब देखो इसमें A constant, C constant, B double, rate double. B double, rate double means rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of B. So order of reaction how much taken for B? 1. Now see next change 1 and 4th. From experiment number or data number 1 and 4th, A constant, B constant, C doubles. C doubles, rate become 4 times. When C double, rate becoming 4 times, that means rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of C square. Rate of reaction is directly proportional to concentration of C square. So when we combine all the three bits, combining all the three bits, rate of reaction I can write combinedly is directly proportional to concentration of A into concentration of B into concentration of C square. Or when we remove the sign of proportionality, we can put rate constant K, A, B, C square. This becomes your rate law expression. This is your rate law equation. In the given rate law equation, what can be taken? Order of reaction overall 1 plus 2. Reaction of order of reaction overall 4. That is your first part answer. Order of reaction 4. And the rate law equation is given as K into concentration of A, B, C square. It is a rate law expression. Are you clear? After getting rate law expression, we can solve the remaining both the bits. Now coming on second part, find the rate constant. Let's come. Now coming on second part, rate of reaction, let's say from first rate. Rate कितना आपको दिया है? Rate 1 दिया है 2 into 10 to power minus 3 is equal to K as a rate constant में निकालना है. Concentration of A, B, C all are same. I can write as a whole power 4. We can write as a whole power 4. 0.02 into 0.02 into 0.02 का square. So from here K is the rate constants will come how much? 2 into 10 to power minus 3 divided by कितना आएगा? 2 power 4 कितना होता है? 16. 16 into 10 to power minus 2 का 4 power को minus 8. So on solving from here we get the value of K. I can write 20 by 16 into 10 to power 20 means power minus 4 कर देंगे. Minus 4 means I can write 20 into 10 to power minus 4. It is same. So we can make its calculation bit easier. 10 power plus 4. That is coming how much? 1.25. This value of K is coming how much? 1.25 into 10 to power 4. Reaction of order how much? 4. For fourth order reaction, what is the unit of rate constant? Liter power n minus 1. So 4 minus 1 is 3. Moles power 1 minus n minus 3. Time आपको दिया seconds में, second inverse. It is a rate constant of reaction 1.25 into 10 to power plus 4. Liter power 3 because order of reaction how much? 4. Liter power n minus 1. Moles power 1 minus n and time का जो भी unit है inverse. It is the second part answer. Now for last part of the reaction, what is the rate of reaction when concentration of all the reactant is 0.01? So what is rate? K 1.25 into 10 to the power 4 into 0.01. कितना आएगा इसका पावर? 4 as a whole कर दीजिए because सब same है. Order of reaction is how much? 4. तो fourth order reaction on solving, rate of reaction will be how much? 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 4 is your rate of reaction, moles per liter per second. Now it is your answer, rate of reaction. If concentration of all the reactant is 0.01 molar, in this condition the rate of reaction will be coming 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 4 moles per liter per second. Remember, for any order reaction the unit of rate is same, moles per liter. टाइम का जो भी आपका यूनिट है टाइम इनवर्स, बट द यूनिट ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट इज वेरिएबल. यूनिट ऑफ रेट कांस्टेंट इज डिफरेंट. फॉर डिफरेंट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन we will have different value of unit of the rate constant. Okay, now next point can be taken part third का अगला part है initial rate of change of concentration of A and L. So rate of reaction I can write how much in terms of A minus 1 by 5 dA by dt, or in terms of L plus 1 by 3 dL by dt. So for calculation of rate, what is rate of change of A dA by dt? कितना का 5 minus 5 into rate is given to you, और dL by dt कितना आएगा इसमें plus 3 into rate. रेट कितना है दोनों केस में? सेम वैल्यू. ये हमारा रेट है of reaction. This rate you put here. This rate you put here. Then you get the initial initial rate of change of concentration of A and L. For A, sign will come negative, it is reactant, and for B, sign is positive for the rate. 3 into rate of reaction, and for A, minus 5 into rate of reaction. Sign is negative for the reactant, indicating decrease in the reactant concentration with time, while plus sign for the product L के लिए. On solving, you get your answer finally. Okay? Okay, write down next question. देखिए, if the pressure, write down the question. If the pressure of a gaseous reactant is changed by 3 times, the rate of reaction changes by 5.2 times. The rate of reaction changes by 5.2 times. Full stop. Determine first bit order of reaction, second bit unit of rate constant, the unit of rate constant, third bit effect on rate of reaction, effect on rate of reaction if the volume of the container is reduced to 1 by 16th. If the volume of the container is reduced to 1 by 16th of the original volume. Okay, try this question now yourself. Let's come on solution part of this question. To solve this question, in this case concentration is not given to us, but we are given pressure. We are given pressure, so we can take one point before we solve this question. Okay, for gases, how to write concentration? It is moles by volume. It can be taken P upon RT. What is concentration? Moles per liter. It can be taken same as pressure upon RT unit. If I take only units point of view, we can replace the unit of number of moles per unit volume by the unit of basically what here? Pressure. Unit of pressure. So we can replace. You can take the R and T will be constant in the given case. So concentration unit we can replace by the unit of pressure. So we can take in place of moles per liter, we can write pressure unit, whatever given. So when the reactions are involving gases, for them to write unit, we can use the unit of pressure instead of moles per liter. Like in this question, pressure is given to us, so we will use unit of pressure instead of concentration moles per liter unit. I hope you are getting this point. कि अगर कोई भी गैस दिया है उसमें प्रेशर का यूनिट आपको लेना पड़ेगा इन प्लेस ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन के यूनिट के. आप ले सकते हैं क्योंकि गैस में क्या है, कंसंट्रेशन मोल्स अपॉन वॉल्यूम, इट इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्रेशर. फॉर द गैसेस नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पर यूनिट वॉल्यूम, दैट इज मोल्स पर लीटर, इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू प्रेशर. So in unit of moles per liter, we can take pressure unit, maybe atmosphere, commonly taken, or whatever other unit given you can take. So don't worry for unit. Now we come on solving this question. To solve this question, let us solve first part. Let us take rate of reaction is given, K is the rate constant, concentration is given, in place of concentration we take unit of pressure. Concentration means I write pressure of the reactant A. A suppose is reactant having partial pressure P A. Order of reaction taken N. If I write rate 1 is how much K pressure power A order 1. If I write rate 2, K will be same pressure power N. I write pressure now become P dash. आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन है, सॉरी आपको क्या दिया है, प्रेशर चेंजिंग 3 टाइम्स, 3 टाइम्स मींस 3 PA, order of reaction is 1, ratio of the rate is given to you in the question is how much, 1 by 5.2 times. So in this case when you take ratio of the rates 1 and 2, if pressure of the gas increase by 3 times, then the rate of reaction increase 1 by 5.2 times. So when you equate here PA and K can take common term cancelling out, 1 by 3 power N is equal to 1 by 5.2. This can be written as 1 by 3 power 3 by 2. If we solve here, 1 by 3 power 3 by 2 will give the value 1 by 5.2. In fact, 3 power 3 by 2 is 5.2. 3 power 3 by 2 is 5.2. So we can take here this expression. From equating here the two expressions, we can find the order of reaction how much? 3 by 2. It is a fractional order reaction. On equating two expressions, 1 by 3 power N is equal to 1 by 5.2. 1 by 5.2 is same as 1 by 3 power 3 by 2, because 3 power 3 by 2 is 5.2. आप चेक कर लीजिए कैलकुलेशन करने के बाद. So for the reaction order value how much? 3 by 2. It is your one part answer. One part answer. Okay. Now coming on second part answer, the unit of rate constant. We can solve later. So in this case now we can add the rate law expression given as concentration of the rate constant into concentration I replace from pressure of the reactant power 3 by 2. From here for K, what is the unit? Unit of K can be taken what here? Rate by pressure. Unit power 3 by 2. I replace rate moles per liter by unit of pressure atmosphere per second divided by atmosphere unit 3 by 2. So what unit of K will come here? 1 minus 3 by 2 is atmosphere power minus half time inverse. If I take time in seconds, so get a time inverse. So in this case the unit of K will come atmosphere power 1 minus 3 by 2 is minus 1 by 2 and time inverse. Second part answer. Now coming on third part of the question, effect on the rate of reaction if volume of the container is reduced to 1 by 16 times. If the volume of the container reduced to 1 by 16 times, we know for the gas pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So if the volume reduced to 1 by 16 times, pressure increase 16 times. Pressure increase 16 times. So when pressure increases 16 times, so what is new pressure? I can write here 16 times of PA. So when volume is reduced to 1 by 16, pressure is 16 times of PA. We know already unit of this expression, so rate will be how much? New rate. I can write this how much? K will be same 16 power 16 PA power 3 by 2. So this on solving will come how much times? On solving you can say this is coming here 64 times. 16 power 3 16 power 2, when you take the ratio, will come the value 64 times. I hope it is clear. Given the volume, since pressure is inversely proportional to volume from the Boyle's law, for the gas pressure is inversely proportional to volume. So when volume is reduced to 1/16, for the gas pressure become 16 times. When pressure 16 times, then the rate is how much? K. 16 time pressure, power 3/2. Power 3/2. When it is solved here, you can check it out. The value will become how much? 64 times. Okay. Now let us take one more example, one more question. A simple question on observation of effect of change of the concentration of reactant on the rate of reaction base. So write down the question. लिखिए question. The oxidation of Br negative ions by BrO3 negative ions in acidic medium. The oxidation of Br negative ion by BrO3 negative in acidic medium is given, is described by the equation. आपको इक्वेशन दिया है, बैलेंस इक्वेशन 5Br minus plus BrO3 minus plus 6 hydrogen plus ions give 3Br2 plus 3H2O. लिखा 5Br minus plus BrO3 minus plus 6H plus ion give 3Br2 plus 3H2O. आगे लिखिए the reaction is first order with respect to Br minus and BrO3 negative each. The reaction is first order with respect to Br negative and BrO3 negative each, and second order with respect to hydrogen plus ions. Second order with respect to H plus ions. निकालना क्या है? Write on parts. Bit A, write the rate law equation. Write the rate law equation. Second bit, what is the overall order of reaction? What is the overall order of reaction? Third bit, how does the rate of reaction change? How does the rate of reaction change if concentration of hydrogen plus ions is tripled? Last bit, how the rate of reaction changes? How rate of reaction changes if concentration of Br negative and BrO3 negative both are halved. Concentration of Br negative and BrO3 negative both are halved. Okay, so try this question yourself. It's very easy question. Okay, try. So let's come to solution part. On solving this question, it's very straight and easy question. You're given in fact everything. First part क्या आएगा? Rate of reaction can be given as rate constant K. We write first. Order of reaction given already. 1 with respect to Br negative, 1 for BrO3 negative, and 2 for hydrogen plus ions. So second order already दिया हुआ है. Just combine all the points. It become your rate law expression. Then what the order of reaction overall? 1 plus 2 become 4. So reaction of order of the reaction overall will be 4. Are you clear? बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. पहले हमें ऑर्डर दिया है 1 1 plus 2. कुछ नहीं करना है, लिखना खाली. फिर ऑर्डर कितना होता है? समेशन करना होगा पावर का. दैट इज सेकंड बिट आंसर. अगला पार्ट का है हाउ डज द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन चेंज इफ कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन प्लस आयन इज ट्रिपल. सो व्हाट हैपन देन इन थर्ड बिट, सी बिट, if Hn become triple, so 2 power 3, 8 times, so rate of reaction will be how much? Rate increases 8 times. Simple है. If H is suppose initially 1 molar, so we can write rate, something is given x. Now if I write Hn will be taken how much? Sorry, triple का meaning कितना है? हाँ, triple तो means 3 times, so 3 square means sorry 9 times रहेगा. Rate of reaction will be how much? 9 times. If Hns are triple, if I write x is 1 molar initially, if we take HN concentration 1 molar, rate is given x. If I write HN or 3x या 3 molar, तो 3 का square means 9 times. So rate of reaction increase 9 times if the concentration of HN will be tripled. Fourth bit now. If concentration of both Br negative and BrO3 negative is half, so let's say half and half square, so rate of reaction will be how much? 1 by 4 times. So rate of reaction changes by 1 by 4 times. Means rate of reaction decrease by 4 times. Or can I rate of reaction decrease 4 times? 1 by 4 is what? 4 times decrease. So I hope it is clear. कि when HN है ट्रिपल, ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन 2 है तो 3 का स्क्वायर 9 टाइम्स हो गया. फिर यहाँ पर क्या है, दोनों हाफ कर दिए तो हाफ इंटू हाफ 1 by 4 टाइम्स. तो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन चेंजेस बाई 1 by 4 times, or we can write straight away that rate of reaction decrease by 4 times. Okay, let us this example taken here. Let us take one more question. आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया है for a reaction given 2a plus b plus c, given the reaction product d plus e, type reaction given to you. Now in the question it is given that the rate of reaction is 2 into 10 to power minus 3 moles per liter per second. Rate of reaction is 2 into 10 to power minus 3 moles per liter per second. If concentration of all the reactant is 1 molar. Rate of reaction is 2 into 10 to power minus 3 moles per liter per second if concentration of all the reactants is 1 molar. Now it is given, the rate law equation is given, rate of reaction given as KAB square. KAB square. आगे दिया है if initial concentration of A, B and C are 0.2 molar, 0.1 molar and 0.08 molar respectively, and 0.04 molar per liter of B is consumed, then find the rate of reaction. Find the rate of reaction. If initial concentration of A, B and C are 0.2 molar, 0.1 molar and 0.08 molar respectively, and 0.04 moles per liter, 0.04 molar of B is consumed, then find the rate of reaction. Okay, again one easy question, try yourself first. Now let us come on solution part. In solution part of this question, first information is given to you. Rate of reaction is how much? K A B square. Rate of reaction given how much? 2 into 10 to power minus 3. K A is 1 molar, B is 1 molar. So from first information that the concentration of all the reactant is 1 molar, we can write the value of rate constant of the reaction come how much? 2 into 10 to power minus 3. Reaction of how much order overall? 3. So it have units liter square per mole square time inverse. So from the first information we will find the rate constant of the reaction K. आपको समझ में आ रहा है कि पहले पार्ट से हम क्या निकाल पाएंगे? वैल्यू ऑफ द रेट कांस्टेंट। k का वैल्यू आप निकाल पाएंगे पहले इंफॉर्मेशन से। वंस k इज नोन टू यू देन वी कम ऑन सेकंड पार्ट, बिकॉज इन सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द इन सेकंड पार्ट टू फाइंड द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन वी रिक्वायर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ a and b at the given time and also we require the value of rate constant। इसमें क्या है, we can use same expression। initial concentration आपको दिया है means when time is 0, reactant have concentration 0.2 molar, concentration of B is 0.1 molar। C छोड़ देते हैं, C क्या है, C is not coming in the rate law equation, so rate of reaction will not depend on the concentration of C। the rate of reaction will not depend on the concentration of C, तो leave C। अगला पार्ट क्या बोल रहा है, at some time t when how much B is consumed 0.04 molar, so how much B will remain 0.06 molar, 0.1 minus 0.04। now for 1 molar B consumed, how much A will be consumed, double 2 into 0.04, so how much remain, that's 0.08, तो 0.12 moles per liter। आपको ये पॉइंट ध्यान से सोचना पड़ेगा क्योंकि यहां पर आपको बैलेंस रिएक्शन दिया है, ऑर्डर आपका होता है खाली रेट निकालने के लिए। डोंट चेंज कि यहां पे कुछ आपको चेंज करना है स्टोइकियोमेट्री में। रिएक्शन का जो भी स्टोइकियोमेट्री है, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स है, आप उसको चेंज नहीं कर सकते हैं, आप उसको डिस्टर्ब नहीं कर सकते हैं। जो है आप वही लिखेंगे यहाँ पर, फिर आप क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे उसके बाद। अगर आपको दिया है B कंज्यूम हुआ 0.04 मोल्स पर लीटर, देन इन सेम टाइम इंटरवल हाउ मच A विल बी कंज्यूम, इसका डबल 2 into 0.04, तो कितना बचा रहेगा 0.2 minus 0.08, 0.12 moles। how much B remain 0.06 moles per liter। now we can find the rate of reaction, कितना आएगा rate of reaction, K will be same। how much is concentration of A remaining 0.12 and how much concentration of B remain 0.06 का स्क्वायर। okay, on solving this is that is the coming answer। on solving this part you can write your answer, let your answer in the question as well। इसका यूनिट क्या आएगा, हम write suppose x, it is the product x moles per liter per second। कैलकुलेशन आप कर लीजिए आराम से, थोड़ा बड़ा है आप कर सकते हैं आराम से। तो in this question that the concept be hidden here कि sometimes a reaction given with one stoichiometry, order of reaction given bit different, in such questions you cannot change the reaction stoichiometry। some reactant can be there in the reaction but it is not involved in the slow step, उसको छोड़ दीजिए, leave that reactant, and then those reactants which are affecting the rate of reaction, which are appearing in the rate law equation, only are to be given importance, and using the stoichiometry we find the concentration remaining of the reactant at given time intervals, from where we can find the order of reaction in such cases। I hope it is clear to you well। okay, so let us take our next method is taken in order of reaction determination is taken Ostwald isolation method। Ostwald isolation method। Ostwald isolation method is simple application, or it is based on, we can say directly, based on initial rate law method। it is based on initial rate law method। देखिए होता क्या है इसमें, in this reaction if I take a hypothetical reaction A plus B plus C, given the reaction products, in this reaction we required to find the order of reaction with respect to A, B and C। हमें order of reaction निकालना है for A, B and C, all three reactants, to find the order of reaction of A, B, C। now what is done in this method, In this method we take all the reactants in excess, leaving one. If we can take 3 experiments. If I say right experiment number 1, what I will do, I will take a small amount, I will take B and C excess. I will take B and C excess. So what happened? Remember, any reactant taken in excess, for that reactant order of reaction becomes 0. For these two reactant order become how much in such case? 0. Because when they are taken excess, a small change in concentration of B and C will not affect the rate of reaction. आपने suppose B को already लिया excess में, suppose increase by 0.1, 0.2 या 2 or 3 molar, rate of reaction will not change. When rate of reaction will not change on change in concentration, that means for such reactants order of reaction become 0. And then we can predict easily. Now suppose if A doubles, rate doubles, order become 1. If A doubles, rate become 4 times, that means for A order will be 2. If A doubles, rate does not change. If A doubles and rate does not change, that means for A order become 0. So this way we isolate one reactant at a time and find the order of reaction with that that reactant first. That is what we do in first case. We get the order of reaction with respect to A by taking reactant in excess. This point you can remember in any other case also. Any reactant taken in excess, for that reactant order becomes 0. Because on changing some concentration of that reactant which already is excess, rate of reaction is not affected. Rate of reaction will remain same. So for those reactant order will be taken 0. I hope you got this point. Now if how A changes and then how it affects the rate of reaction will give the order of reaction for A. Similarly in second experiment, I can take in second experiment, I can take A and B excess. So what happens for them? Order becomes 0. Now how C will change? Will give the order for C. And third experiment, I can take A excess, C excess and B not much, small amount. So how B will change? Will give the order of reaction with respect to B. In this case for A and C, order becomes 0. So whatever reactants are taken in excess, for them the order of reaction will be 0. Even in other general reactions, आपको reaction है कि A plus B give product. Suppose for A and B orders 1 each. Now if they ask in the question, if B is taken excess, then what the rate of what the rate law equation? So whatever reactant taken excess, for that reactant the order of reaction will become 0. You remove that reactant from the rate law equation. For that order becomes 0, so leave that reactant. Whatever remain, you write down. For that reactant we will get the order of reaction. I hope it is clear to you. Order of reaction 0 for those reactant which are taken excess. So this way we isolate one reactant at a time. For that reactant we find the order. How it is done? By taking all the reactant in excess except one. We take all the reactant in excess except one. जिसका अमाउंट कम है हम उसका ऑर्डर निकालेंगे पहली बार में, फिर सेकंड टाइम में सेकंड रिएक्टेंट का, फिर थर्ड बार में थर्ड रिएक्टेंट का अगर दिया है तो। इस प्रकार हम सारे ही रिएक्टेंट के लिए ऑर्डर निकाल सकते हैं एक एक करके, क्योंकि जिसको भी हम लेंगे अमाउंट लेंगे एक्सेस में उसका ऑर्डर क्या हो जाएगा? 0 हो जाएगा। उसके लिए ऑर्डर अगर 0 है तो जो बचेगा उसका ऑर्डर कितना होगा? लास्ट में क्या करते हैं, तीनों कंबाइन करेंगे पॉइंट्स को टू राइट द नेट रेट लॉ इक्वेशन. दिस मेथड इज कॉल्ड एज ओस्टवाल्ड आइसोलेशन मेथड. वी आइसोलेट one reactant at a time. For that reactant we find the order this way. Okay.